Everybody likes cold starts. We'll try one this morning. Gotta get that wood over to the wood pile. And I got a deer been eating. Got the game camera out just the heck of it to see what's behind the house. And I gotta get the roof rake to get that snow off the roof. We'll do a little cold start here. A little icy. Been out hunting, still haven't got anything. But, oh well. If I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. I'll have to rob some of the kids' meat. Oh, here we go, a cold start. See if the old beast will go. Warm up the glow plugs. Usually takes a couple of times. Yeah. One more time. Ooh, that wind is cold out here too. I think it's about 27, 26 degrees Fahrenheit. It'll take more than once. Oh boy, I hope I ain't gelled up or iced up. Just what I need. Summertime, she always starts right away. I should have a block heater for this or something. Come on, Betsy. Get going now. That was close.